So clean, can she cut that question been harassing me in the mind? This girl is fine, I done came to the club out at the limb time. Then I play with your pendant line. The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guard gonna sweat me now. Play a drunk, then I'm mug, threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see the females twerking, taking her clothes off, ooh she naked. ATL sorry, don't disrespect it. I'll pop your thing like this, cause you ain't twin and it's B.I. Lil' John and the East Side boys with me, and we all like to see Tiggo business. So bring yourself over here, girl, and let me see you get low. If you want this dude, now take it to the floor. But if you wanna act, you can keep yourself where you at.
369, damn.